Hi everyone. Uh, so this is Ravi Kumar Singh, Assistant Professor at International School of Management, Patna. So in this video lecture, uh, we are going to talk about media vehicle, media class, reach, and coverage. So mm, this is this is session fifth. This is fifth session. Uh, so let's discuss what do we mean by media class and what is media vehicle. So media class refers to the communication channels through which we disseminate news, music, movies, education, promotional message, and other data. So these are the uh, 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 general media through which we can communicate. So this is general category which carries our communication. So this general category, the example of general category can be the television, radio, newspaper, magazine, internet. eh, So, and this is media class means general category of media which which carries our communication. Our communication means marketers communication or any communication originated originating from any organization. Now the vehicle is the specific TV or radio station or a specific newspaper or a specific magazine which belongs to that class and which carries our communication. So, so say for example, media class is a newspaper. So newspaper is a general category of media. In this general category, there are number of special vehicles. There are number of specific newspapers like Times of India, like Hindustan, like Dainik Jagran, like Aaj, like Economic Times. So these are specific newspapers, and all these specific newspaper belongs to a particular category, that is newspaper. So these specific newspapers are known as media vehicles of category newspaper. So newspaper, this belongs to a more broader class which is known as print media. So print media is broader class, then its subclass can be newspaper, then its subclass can be magazine, then its subclass can be any kind of journal, and under this subclass this is also generic. So there are some specific vehicles like specific newspapers, specific magazines, uh, specific journals, and something similar, right? So I believe media class and media vehicles are clear. So let's discuss another example of television. So television is what? Television is a media class, a general category of media. So in television, there are specific channels. So Star News, Star Plus, Sports, ESPN, Sony, and there are n number of channels. So where we where do you watch your advertisements, or where you can place your advertisement? You can place your advertisement in a specific channel at a specific time. So that specific channel is the vehicle, media vehicle under that media class. and that media class is television, and that television also belongs to a broader class that is known as broadcast media. ठीक है? So this broadcast has another general category, that is radio. So broadcast, under broadcast there are television, there are radio, and under television there may be n number of specific channels, means n number of media vehicles. In radio also there are multiple radio stations. So all those specific radio station like Radio Mirchi, like City, like Red FM, all these are specific vehicles under the media class of radio. Fine. Now we are coming to reach and coverage. So reach means a measure. Reach is a measure of the number of different audience members exposed at least once to a media vehicle in a given period of time. Yeah. So, say for example, you have published your advertisement in Times of India. So, Times of India is a specific vehicle. So, that so on a particular date you have published your advertisement in Times of India. So, on that particular date, how many people, how many target audience members can be exposed for at least once to that newspaper? That is the reach of that newspaper for that particular date, right? So that is the reach. And the coverage means it is the potential audience. It talks about the potential audience. So coverage refers to the reach among the potential audience that might receive the message through a vehicle. It is usually represented in percentage. So coverage is a broader term. It talks about the potential audience. So say for example, Times of India can reach to 50% of your target audience. So that is the coverage of that newspaper. But reach can be less than the coverage, right? So that is the difference between reach and coverage. So thanks for watching this video. In the next, we will discuss more about the media vehicle and media class. For any issues, you can call me, you can write your emails. Thank you.